this is the regular weather slot. You just saw some lightning right there. Here is our severe thunderstorm, and this really has some teeth. Look at the immense amount of rainfall coming down. So what's going on today? You had the heat, you had the humidity. We're kind of, like everyone else, like, oh, wow, yeah, we actually had some rotation too. The winds are not that strong upstairs, but anyhow, it was rotating, it looked like, for a while. But what you have too is interesting. Up here in the cloud, there's a little bit actually of a dry layer, and what that does is that aids in the cooling, and when you get cooling of the precipitation up there, well, one, we got hail, and then two, that aids in the acceleration of the wind as it comes down because it's cooler, it's more dense, and it already is starting on the way down, and then it hits this pocket of slightly drier air up here in the cloud, way up there, and it goes, oh, that's cooler, and continue to evaporate, and that makes it cooler, and we already have some intensity of speed, and then it comes down and it goes bam, down on the ground, and poof, goes out in all different directions. So that's what you're seeing happening here today. And this was just over in Putnam County here. Look at that, it looks like a starfish right there. Our own Bradley Wells with that. He said that's about the size of a nickel, and we've had indications, doesn't mean it happened, but the indication on the radar at the time was 3 inches. You're throwing a baseball at 3 inches, okay? Hopefully it melted a good bit on the way down, but even if it was 1.5 inches, like the size of a ping pong ball, that's kind of big for us. That'll damage stuff, so we're going to wait reports. A couple of warnings too within that watch. Severe thunderstorm watch for our West Virginia counties on television, our southeastern Kentucky counties on TV, and 2 of our Ohio counties officially. But here is the zone. It's pretty much all of us who can watch on TV. And that will end at 9 o'clock. But really, I mean, I think you're looking at now until about 7 or 8 o'clock, and then things will wind down. There's a severe thunderstorm warning. There's the other one right there. This one is in southern Wayne County. But that just goes to show you that these things can just spin. So right north of downtown Charleston, scraping the airport and going up I-79 toward Clendenin, that's not going to be a lot of fun. This is just plain rain back here. We should point that out. Here's our severe thunderstorm that is now just south of Wayne, and that's going to go on over into Lincoln County. There's that nasty cell north of Charleston. Winfield, you're getting yet another one, big downpour. This is just plain saturating rain. We'll have to talk to our friends up at the Dickus Christmas Tree Farm. It looks like they're getting a lot of rain. They need that. Again, Portsmouth, this is a big downpour out by the Shawnee State Park. And then there's more rain back here, and then this front's going to wobble back and forth for a couple of days. So that means more rain for us. Out ahead of the front, 80s, 70s, and 60s behind it. There's cold air up there in that storm. Here's what happens tonight. Still until about 8 o'clock, the storms are there, and then they'll start to fade. Still have some rain after 10, but really kind of loses the punch. Now, tomorrow, we're not too worried about severe storms, but there will be some rain, at least the first half of the day. And if you'll note, these clouds are doing this. They're going this way and this way. It is really interesting. They are kind of mixing together different directions of wind. So eventually the southerly push winds out on Friday. Maybe again, some strong to severe storms on a southerly flow of air. And then Saturday, yeah, we have more of the same, unfortunately, and possibly a couple of afternoon strong storms. And then right now, Sunday morning starts dry, but this is why you're getting that kind of motion I was showing you right there, because that front is just stuck right there in the overall wind flow. So tomorrow, more rain and 70, 73 on Friday. Back to the 80s on the weekend. Monday is Memorial Day, and that looks also like rain in the afternoon. Tuesday, some rain and 80, and Wednesday, a smaller chance, but again, pretty wet. This is still 3 or 4 inches of rain between now and then. Okay, we're gonna take a break. Whew. Nature's keeping us busy right here. You keep your eye on the bottom of the screen when we return. More Good Day at 4 after this.